Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get rid of stats for nerds on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, next play any episodes. If you see stats for nerds on the screen, don't worry, it was likely turned on by accident. Next, tap the screen once while the video is playing. This brings up the video controls. Look for a gear icon, three dots or a settings option on the video player. Tap it if you see stats for nerds, debug info or playback stats. Tap it once to turn it off. The stats overlay should disappear immediately. If the stats do not go away, try this next step. Close the video completely, then reopen the episodes and play it again. In many cases, this resets the player view. And that's it. That's how to get rid of stats for nerds on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.